Ooh. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. Just got over the fence there, or sorry, through the fence there, and just gonna try and do a little golf course fishing. Hopefully don't get kicked out. So I just gotta get down the lake real quick. Alrighty, guys, we're getting down to the lake here. Kind of nice little golf course lake. Been fishing this one since this is kind of where it all started, honestly. So fishing's kind of gone down here, or downhill here, in the last couple years. A little overfished, but I'm gonna see if I can't catch a couple bass for you guys here. Get a little throwback to some memories. Got a little jerkbait tied on right now. Gonna fish this little bank here. See if you guys can see that. Gonna head that way. Got a lot of moss right here, a lot of grass. Not what I want to be throwing a jerkbait into. But if you guys remember from my Tackle Warehouse unboxing video, this is one of the Rick Lund videos, or Rick Lund jerkbaits that I unboxed. Little shallow diving, so I don't get down into the stuff. So let's see if I can catch a fish out here. Hey, there's one. Let's try and keep him down a little bit. Try and stay pinned. Not a bad one for this little golf course. Alright. There we go. Oh, nice. Good shake there. Alright, guys, we got the first one of the night. It is pretty late. It is about 7:15. Sun is gonna set in about 45 minutes. I just kind of wanted to get out here for a quick little session, and I got this guy hooked pretty good. Well, all right, guys, there's the first bass right there. I gotta kind of flip him over these weeds right there. Good start. Oh, there's another one, guys. Whoa, we got a jumper. Come on, stay under. Oh, Billy. All right, number 2. All right, stay still, guy. Stay still. Come on. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. Easy. Easy. All right, guys. So there is number 2. Not too shabby. Got him. Came out just off that this little grass moss kind of pad thing, and he just nailed that Rick Lund jerkbait. So I'm gonna give him a little quick release here. There he goes, back into the slop. All right, there we go. Oh, there's another one, guys. Ooh, there's a little guy. He's running at me. Wow, look at this guy. This guy. Wow, this bass is really small. Wow. The other 2 bass that I've caught have actually been decent size, and this guy is just a little squeakster. But I'm not gonna complain. Hope this lake's getting better. All right, guys. Sorry about the little camera weirdness, but there's number 3. Try to get some good lighting. Little squeakster. I'll just toss him, give him a little toss back. All right, there he goes. Another victim on the Rick Lund shallow diving Jerkbait. Alright guys, get you a better camera angle. I'm gonna do a little switch up. Grass is getting a little crazy, even though, yeah, I am catching fish. I'm gonna do a little switch. I'm gonna switch to a little homemade underspin here, made by, I'll give a little shout out to Cole that I fish with a lot. He was in the, which one? That was the putting stone video that we were slaying all those bed bass with. So shout out to him. Gonna throw on this cool little underspin to a really small, I don't know if it's Kitech, but it's, you get the point. It's a very Kitech looking bait. GoPro, stop recording. All right, let's see how this little underspin to a little Kitech does for me over here. This might help me get out of the weeds a little bit. Definitely a little lighter. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, I'm gonna make another switch here. Don't think that was wasn't quite doing it for me. So sun's getting pretty low, so I'm gonna try and get a little top water on this little Spook Junior. Super Spook Junior, sorry. See if I can't whack a few on this before the sun goes down. Do a little Palomar action here. If you guys don't know Palomar knot, it's a nice quick little knot. Oh, sometimes tough to get over the bait a little bit. Make sure you wet it extra good. Tighten it up. Alright guys, tonight is going to come to an end. Had a nice little start there with the Rick Lund little silver jerkbait. So overall, you know, I was only fishing out here for like an hour, so overall pretty good trip. Haven't really got much luck here in the last couple of years like I used to have. I used to just slay them here like crazy. But you know, it was good to get out here, catch a couple bass for you guys. Since I didn't get kicked off by the course or anything, I might come back tomorrow night. Throw a little more jerkbait, get some more fish. Who knows, might throw a curveball at them. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I haven't been posting as much, but more things to come. Summer's coming around, and I hope you guys have a nice night. Have a good one.